Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Christine, and today I am back with a Goodie Box unboxing. So Goodie Box is a happy moments company that offer a subscription with beauty boxes to their members. These boxes contain skincare, makeup, and other beauty products. So basically a dream in a box. So I actually have a special link for you guys, which will give you guys 50% off your first Goodie Box, which is a great deal. So the only thing you have to do is click on that link and place your order, and the 50% off will be added directly through the link. So you don't have to add a separate discount code to get the discount. So without further ado, let's unbox this Goodie Box for June. Let's go. I am just gonna use my nails because I don't have a scissor with me and I'm kind of like lazy to get up and grab some scissors, but I actually managed to open the box already. So let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at the color. It's so pretty. So this is the Goodie Box for the month of June. How beautiful is that? I love a great packaging, and this just is amazing. Just imagine having a subscription with them and receiving a beautiful box every month. I think that is just such a dream, and sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves. So by doing this, you're actually gifting yourself a beautiful Goodie Box every month, which is kind of like a gift for yourself because you work so hard and you deserve to get a gift. So the actual total value of this box is 183 euros and 85 cents, which sounds like a lot, but you're actually paying only 24.95 a month. And I actually have a special link with discount for you guys, which will give you guys 50% off. So you're only paying 12.48 euros on your first Goodie Box. And then after that, you will only pay 24.95 a month, which sounds like a dream, and it's definitely a great deal. I feel like I'm shaking the box and everything is like falling all over in the box. So let me just hold the box still. But yeah, I'm kind of getting excited. So in this box specifically, you get 6 products and also 1 welcome gift. They're being so generous, guys, which is just so lovely. And of course, as I said, there's a good mixture of skincare, makeup, and beauty products in here. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Hopefully nothing falls out because I've been shaking it so much. Here we go. So pretty. I love the box. Look at that. There's like a welcome note. That's so cute. A big welcome to happy self-care. Oh, that's so nice. So this is the little note you get inside. So this is how the packaging looks like inside of the box. As you can see, this always happens to me. As you can see, the wrapping paper also has a Goodie Box on it. So I love that extra detail. And yeah, let's unbox this. I kind of want to show you guys. Like kind of like ASMR. Here we go. That was not as smooth as I envisioned, but you guys get it. So these are all of the products we got. We have 6 products and 1 welcome gift. So I'm actually just gonna start with the first item, which is this one. I'm so clumsy sometimes, guys, like it's insane. So it's from this brand called Kueishi Naturals. Hopefully I'm not butchering the names, so I hope I'm pronouncing the names correct. But it is a soothing and refreshing after sun with aloe vera. Summer is obviously coming up anytime soon. Netherlands, the weather is so shitty, guys, but hopefully we will get sun real soon and I can start using this because this will be perfect for summer, or if you're going anywhere sunny on vacation, you definitely need a refreshing after sun. So this will be perfect for the summer months. I think it's definitely a perfect product for summer. I don't know why, but I can't really take that, like, you know, like that foil paper they put to like seal the product. I can't get it off, so I just like kind of like push through it and we kind of are getting product out of it. So that's what we're doing. But yeah, let me show you guys up close. This is how the after sun looks like. So pretty standard, and oh yeah, it feels really refreshing on the skin. So I can definitely like say that if you are sunburned, then this will definitely be amazing for you. And obviously it has aloe vera in it, so I mean, you cannot go wrong. When I am actually in Curaçao, I actually get aloe vera from our garden and I cut it open and actually put it on my skin if I'm really like sunburned and my skin is like really like in pain basically, and it really helps. So I really believe in aloe vera. I think lots of people really love aloe vera and lots of cultures use aloe vera for skin and just overall health. So yes, I'm definitely happy with this one. Let's go to our next product. This is from a brand called La Rose Paris. Why am I using an accent? I don't know. It is a moisturizing face cream gel. It has organic cucumber. It is for combination skin and you can use this day and night. It's made in France. So I feel like anything that's made in France is gonna be great. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I feel about it. So I feel like it's definitely gonna be an amazing product. And I love having moisturizers for my skin because my skin tends to get really dry in the Netherlands because of the water and the weather. So moisturizers are just a must have, especially in the Netherlands. So I'm really happy with this one, and it is valued at 1990 euros. We have another problem. Let me see if this one, oh, see, that was easy. Okay, let me show you guys on this hand. Oh, that's dripping. Actually, I have been sick for the past few weeks, so I'm not really sure I can smell anything at this point, but whatever I'm smelling is nice. I can't close this. Guys, my clumsiness is just on another level. But this is the moisturizer. Again, it feels really refreshing and really smooth. It blends out really nice. Ooh, this looks amazing. It's definitely gonna moisturize your face. So I'm actually excited to test this out. That feels wonderful on the skin. It's gonna leave your skin glowy and just hydrated. Just what you want for summer. You want like a glowy, hydrated skin that looks healthy. This is it, guys. So nice. Even though I am sick and I am slimed up to the gods, I still smell this, which means it smells amazing. Oh, that smells so nice. I can't describe it to you guys. It just smells like you're at the spa and you're having the best relaxing day ever. Like my hands feel so smooth right now from the two creams. So amazing. I am obsessed with this one. Even though I haven't used, like really properly used it yet, I think I'm gonna love this. This is the next product. It is from this brand called Flannery and it is a hyaluronic vivifying serum. I love hyaluronic. I think everyone needs to be using any type of hyaluronic acid in their skincare routine. I actually told my bestie and he started using hyaluronic as well because he was suffering from like really dry skin. And if you are suffering from dry skin, you need hyaluronic in your life, just in general. So this is a vivifying serum. I've never used that word before, but it sounds vivifying awesome. But yeah, this serum is actually really pricey. It's valued at 72 euros, which is a lot of money. So I mean, this must be amazing. This is made in Italy. Which again, I don't know, like skincare from Italy and France to me sounds like a dream. So yeah, and it's definitely gonna boost your skin. I feel like this will be amazing for your face. At this point, I've tested out both of my hands, so I'm just gonna put it on this side again, just so you guys can see like the texture, and that looks amazing. Oh my, I think I'm smelling all of these products together, which I mean obviously because I put them all together. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but that looks amazing. It kind of has like this beautiful like rosy glow to it. Oh, that looks so good. You guys probably can't see shit, it's fine. Oh my god, I need to test this out like ASAP. This looks amazing. So a Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. Your skin is gonna be radiating and just looking really like healthy and glowy and hydrating. So amazing product. I mean, 72 euros and you're only paying 12.48. I mean, this is a joke, guys. Like, I can't. The next product is a nail and cuticle oil, which is something I need in my life. I was actually about to go order one, so I don't need to anymore because I can use this. I have this thing called winter hands, which means that my hands and my fingers always look really ugly. They look super dry. They are pretty much in pain every day, especially when I have to wash my hands with like hot water. It burns. So it's pretty sucky, especially living in a country where it's pretty much cold like 80% of the time, I would say. So I do really suffer from that a lot. So if you guys see my fingers in videos when it's up close and it looks like really ugly and dry and flaky, it's because I have winter hands. I'm not sure if I told you guys this before, but it's definitely something I struggle with and kind of feel like embarrassed by because they just don't look nice. Like my fingers never look pretty, and it's a shame because I love my nails. Like, have you guys seen my latest nail set? Like, how cute is that? But if you guys can see like my cuticle, they're like red and just irritated, and yeah, it just doesn't look nice. So it's definitely a shame because I feel like compared to like most people, I just don't have pretty fingers because of what I have. So I do need to use lotions and cuticle oils like the whole day because otherwise I'm literally gonna be like burning basically, and that's not nice. Like even on the inside of my hands, you can see it's like cracking. Like I have that 24/7. It doesn't go away. Not even if I put lotion on it. It's definitely a problem. So cuticle oil, yes please. I'm actually gonna test it out right now. Oh, that looks so yummy. So yeah, you can just basically put it on your nail, well, your cuticle. I can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm kind of using like the little camera mirror so I can see. Ah, I didn't do such a bad job. But yeah, so that's the cuticle oil. It's from this brand called Zarco Beauty. So yeah, cute. Oh, and by the way, this is actually valued at 23 euros, which I don't know, but for a cuticle oil, that sounds like a lot. So it must be an amazing cuticle oil. So that's perfect for me because I need like miracle stuff literally from my hands. So anything I can test out like is more than welcome. Okay, next up we have this one, which is from this I can't speak. So this is from the brand called Tease Cosmetics. It is a trail eyeshadow. It says here ultra creamy duo shade. So it's a duo shade eyeshadow. Let me show you guys the packaging first. The packaging looks really cute. I love the bright colors. So this eyeshadow is valued at 25 euros and it has two beautiful shades. It's actually a perfect shade for me because I love using like brown neutral tones for my eyeshadow. I don't really go crazy with colors. It's just not my preference. I would love to have the ability to be amazing with colors, but I just don't have it in me. So I mean, maybe if I tried, but I'm just not into it. So I do really love these colors. I think they're the perfect colors for my personal makeup style. So yeah, let me swatch these so you guys can see. Hold on, my fingers are so moisturized that they're super slippery. So I'm actually gonna put it on my other finger. So these are the swatches. I'm actually gonna put it over here so you guys can see it better. So I feel like this side is pretty pigmented and then the other one is very sparkly. I feel like you can definitely mix and match those two together. That would be really nice. Yeah, it's definitely very pigmented and very smooth. So yeah, it's a nice eyeshadow to add to my collection. And the next product is this cutie right here. It is from this brand called Mari Stella Maris or Maris, and it is a lip balm. It's a moisturizing and repairing lip balm. Again, something I use daily because I have the driest lips and I'm not afraid of saying that, but it's definitely because of the weather in the Netherlands. I never had dry lips in Curaçao. The moment I got here, I've been suffering from dry lips the past 13 years since I've like moved here. So dry lips is just a thing with cold countries. So I do use a lip balm literally the whole day. So having a new extra one is always welcome. And this is actually valued at 12 euros. And the ingredients definitely look amazing for your lips. So I'm definitely excited to use this. And yeah, this is like the little application. Hopefully you guys can see that. Should I just use it like on top of my lipstick right now? Ah, oh, the smell is lovely. I need to clean this. It's so smooth and refreshing. So those were the 6 products we got, but of course we also got a welcome gift, which is this last product. It is from Sandstone. It is actually a summer bronzer. So it is an infinite summer bronzer. I see a number 36. I guess that's the number shade, if you guys were wondering. This is the color. It's definitely very like dark and bronzy, so I feel like it's perfect for summer, because hopefully somewhere in summer I will get like a little tan, and then I can use this to give me a bit more of like that bronzy look. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to test this one out. I'm gonna swatch this so you guys can see the pigment. Oh wow, yeah, that's nice. Definitely pigmented. It's actually a beautiful color, and it also has like a little shine to it, so perfect for summer because you do want to like look glowy and bronzed up. So yeah, definitely nice. I'm actually gonna grab like a wet towel to get all of this off because I don't want to like make anything dirty. So I'll be back in 1 second. So those were the 7 products I had to show you guys today from my goodie box. Remember, just by clicking on my link, you will get 50% off this specific box. So if you are interested, definitely go use my link. And yeah, let me know if you guys are getting your goodie box. I am definitely excited for you guys to receive this because the products are definitely amazing and they're definitely worth it. I've been saying definitely a lot. So you will always get 5 to 7 products in your box, and always at least 2 full-size products at a minimum value of 80 euros. Another amazing thing is you have free shipping on your goodie box. So that is definitely a big plus. And of course, you will receive new and exciting products every month. So you're not gonna receive the same thing. You're gonna be surprised with your goodie box every month. So it's definitely like a special gift to yourself. So I do love the concept of goodie box. So please let me know down in the comments if you guys are getting a goodie box. I would love to know. And as always, I would love for you guys to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, I would love for you guys to subscribe and hit that bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload my next video. And of course, I would love to see you guys real soon in my next videos. Bye guys!